I'm a little bit north of Front Royal, Virginia, on Route 340 in Warren County, and there's a neat outcrop here. Hey folks, I'm Callan Bentley from Piedmont, Virginia Community College. And I'm at this really great outcrop that shows a couple of different characteristics, both of which tell chapters in the history of this rock. This is a two-part story, and the resulting rock has a tectonic fabric that overprints an original sedimentary fabric. It's an outcrop of the Edinburg Formation, and you can see sedimentary bedding going up like this. That bedding was originally horizontal, and obviously it's been tilted now, and that's due to the Alleghanian orogeny. The other thing that's really prominent here is you can see there's a steep vertical fabric that runs through the outcrop, and that is a tectonic cleavage, a secondary feature that was imposed during Alleghanian mountain building when these rocks were squeezed east to west and developed a vertical pressure solution cleavage. Notice how the angle of the cleavage changes depending on whether it's crossing these darker layers or these lighter layers in between. The lighter layers are limestones, and the darker colored layers are shalier layers. So that shale is due to the beginning stages of the weathering of the Taconian Mountains. So when this was deposited, this was a time when the first phase of Appalachian mountain building had begun to the east, and that was starting to shed off clastic particles that were entering the carbonate bank and starting to change the flavor of the sediments that were deposited. Whereas previously it was just limestone dominated, now it had a little bit of mud in it as well.